Zach Matthews, bro. February 1st, 2011. And we are recording. We are live.
Woo, early in the morning.
That's what I'm saying. I'm going to give you just okay. I'm going to drive and you're going to record.
Alright.
We're going to record this eventually in the post office.
Yeah, no. It's about 7:40 in the morning. Fucking cold. Really cold.
Fuck, Derek.
Yeah, man. It's too cold. Say what's up. Good morning.
Like, behind you, it seems that this street is small as hell. I had to like roll around.
I was like, you are not outside, man.
I was outside, and then this lady.
And then this
like,
ugly blue car tried to interrupt. I don't know what this. I mean, it's good. It's good. It's just a weird blue. It's a turquoise. But look at that sunrise. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but great morning. Nice brisk cold morning. What's good?
What's good?
What's good? Alright, I also gotta stop and make a payment on my detox. If that's straight. 202 West 3rd. 202 West 3rd Street. What?
We'll do the post office first.
Alright. Wow, early bird gets the worm. Woo!
That's right, motherfucker.
Right. Is this Olivia's camera?
Mine, bro.
Oh.
Look at the flip.
Oh yeah.
Look at this too fancy.
Right. She's spending all out. She
got that stiletto, bro.
She upgraded you. Look at this though. Post office early morning. It better not be packed. I gotta send this puppy out to California. Unfortunately. Beautiful PS3. It's always a bummer. My best friend who just came back from Afghanistan. He needs to game.
Right. Right, dude.
He's playing Call of Duty for real life for the past 7 months. So he's trying to play some fake Call of Duty.
Real life, dude.
Yeah, right.
Some sensitization.
He's playing some real life war games.
Right. Okay.
While we're on our academic grind.
Academic war game.
Right.
Right.
Woo.
Oh, man. What's going on today, dude?
Class 11, 2, and 3:30, and it's Tuesday.
All day.
Gotta lift.
Hey, you know what tomorrow is?
Wednesday.
Groundhog Day!
Oh, is it really?
Hell yeah.
Damn.
Groundhog Day, bro.
What is it again? If he pops his head up, then
if the shadow shows,
then
he gets scared
and goes
back in.
But if he doesn't,
if he doesn't see
no more winter! Only 6 weeks left.
I don't know if I believe it, though.
I don't know if I do either.
You know what I'm saying?
Right. But I mean, it's worth a shot.
Okay, when was St. Patty's Day last year? March?
Yeah, March 6th, 15, 16, like that. Yeah.
It was thick.
I know.
I'm just saying, it was nice weather out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember the pictures. Look at these little tykes going to school and everything.
I gotta get the young blood.
Young bloods, what's up? Youth of the nation. Just trying to get their education on. Oh man, there's so many people out at this time. I don't know if it's me not
alive early in the morning.
I know. I don't know if it's me not supposing to be alive at this time, but I'm just never up. But you're up. You're always up at 6, 7.
Up at 6.
6, man.
I was drinking a little behind today.
Texting me at 6. It's so early. Yeah. It's early.
Presentation at 9:30.
Oh yeah, that's right. Those girls are crazy, man. Those girls in your group.
Oh yeah.
I had sex with that guy.
Very outspoken.
Yeah, I had sex with that guy. What was his name? She's like, I had sex with that guy on Friday. What's his name? I don't know. Starts with a K. What?
Skiz.
Sketchy.
Nah, they're cool girls with skiz.
Beep beep. What's up, school bus? Taking the kiddies to school.
What up, Olivia?
Hello, Olivia.
Serena's sleeping right now.
Oh, she would.
Well, yeah, she's been working hard, man.
Yeah, she deserves it.
I can't wait for California. Oh, such a good time.
That's on spring break?
Yo.
Yeah. I hope there's not a huge process I gotta go through to send this PS3. Look at this car. Wowzers. Yeah.
You take this camera into the post office.
Oh yeah. They'll be like, this, you can't film in here.
Oh, don't even tell them we're filming.
don't need to tell him shit. Where's that camera for?
Is that a government building, so we can't take cameras in there?
Yeah. We're about to break some laws right now.
It's all good. It's not like we're, you know.
I hope we catch something crazy, like someone freaking out.
But over a stamp?
Yeah, like, I can't pay 34 cents!
Sadly, as it sounds, I could see that going down.
Sounds like Winona could have that happen.
Definitely.
Whew. Yeah, he's over in California, loving life. It's really nice over there, he said. 78 and sunny. Or
Really?
68 and sunny.
Oh, I mean,
70
in like 30 some days, dude.
What? Why is that looking not open?
It's open. It says 6.
Alright.
It should say 6.
Let's give it a shot.
Going to the post office. Oh, Winona, Minnesota. 55987.
Please be open, man. I don't see anybody.
It said 6.
Thank you.
Oh.
8. No.
That was lobby hours. That was
What time is it?
7:35.
Okay.
Let's go do your thing. Let's go do your detox thing. What is that for?
Detox, man.
Did you get into some trouble?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, sadly enough, we cannot record in there. As much as I would like to let the world know.
It's depressing. I don't think anybody's trying to record in there.
Right. That's not happening. Well, that's kind of gay. Oh well. Okay, well, we're gonna get off this camera here and go do some